My name is Madison.
And more Aotearoa Winter School, I'm Hannah. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Rāmere, the 13th of March.
Okay, Rāmere is another big day for touch practices.
Yes, could all Year 1 and 2 teams please meet your coaches at the junior lunch area at 12:45. Thank you.
Senior athletics relays today. Make sure you have your PE gear on and are over the road at 12:30.
Go Winton! Remember, Slurpas are on sale today. $1 each, limited 2 per person. Thank you.
And all your wrappers go in the bins placed around the school.
Keep wearing your HI VIZ vest. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
School council news. Meet Mr. Wadsworth in the group room at 12:45. Thank you.
Okay, let's get into Te Kuhu o Te Wiki. This week's word is ukulele.
That's Te Reo for ukulele.
Ring, 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 ring. Kia ora. Okay, one birthday went in school today. Brianna Todd turns the big 11. Happy birthday, Brianna.
And in the weekend, Talia Hall turns 10 and Jack Kincaid turns 12.
Happy birthday, everyone. And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a Tarawiki.
Get out to the field at lunchtime and support the relay teams. Haere Winton School.